In this video, I'm going to show you how to add EX4 file in MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to File, top left, and you want to go to Open Data Folder. And then from here, you want to go to MQL4, and you want to double click on it, and then you want to double click on Experts. Now, whenever you do this, you essentially want to drop in your EX4 file. So as you can see here, I do have like a bunch of different ones. They support MQ4 and EX4. So if I just pick one I have over here, I'll be able to drop it in here just like this. And then what you have to do for it to actually show inside Expert Advisors, you're gonna have to restart. So just essentially just close down MT4, and then you have to reopen it just like this. So let me reopen, and now you should be able to find it here inside your Expert Advisors. There we go. As you can see, my bot is now over here and I can start using it. So that's how to add an EX4 file. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.